Hi everyone, welcome back to LG Queen Home Decor. In today's video, I'll be helping a homeowner tackle two of the most clutter-prone areas in the house, the pantry and the refrigerator. You will see how to utilize effective systems and strategies to not only clean and organize, but also maximize the functionality of these spaces. You will also see the heartwarming and sweet reaction of the homeowner, who is actually my beautiful mother. She had so much joy with the reveal of the transformations. If you've been struggling to keep your own pantry and fridge in order, this is the perfect opportunity to gather practical ideas and inspiration. Stay tuned as we dive into the transformation process and get ready to update the way your space works for you. There's a surprise giveaway in today's video as a thank you for being here. I will be selecting two winners who will each receive $100 via PayPal to help start your next project. To enter this giveaway, you must be subscribed, leave a comment on what was your favorite part, give this video a like, and share this video with someone who could use some inspiration. Today's video is sponsored by Rocket Money. I'll share more on them later. Now let's get started. As I'm continuing to declutter and clean out this refrigerator, I can't help to not think about all the rising costs out there for food and goods. Not only that, this year for me is all about budgeting and cutting expenses. With this new goal, I recently found out I was being charged twice for a streaming service, and I had no idea this was happening. So I want to help you with more than just today's organizational video. I've got something that's going to put money back in your pockets. Today's video is sponsored by Rocket Money. If you didn't know, Rocket Money is the all-in-one personal finance app that helps you cancel subscriptions, lowers your monthly bills, and helps you manage your money better. As I mentioned a few moments ago, I found out that I was being charged twice on Amazon Prime membership. I had no idea. Thanks to Rocket Money, I was able to help me catch this. I had no idea how many months I've been paying for it, so I didn't want that. With just a few taps, I was able to cancel, and anything else I wasn't interested in, Rocket Money helped me to do that, and I know it'll help you as well. Customers can save an average of $720 a year using all of Rocket Money's features. To save more and spend less, I love using Rocket Money to help lower my bills and negotiate them instead of having to spend hours calling these companies. That is just too stressful, and hoping to get someone who actually cares to help you. All you do is upload your bill with just a few taps and Rocket Money goes to work for you. This is great for things you have such as cable bills and phone bills. I love to shop and buy things, and I know how hard-earned money for many out there goes way too fast. Rocket Money helps me budget. I no longer have to write everything down or try to remember how much I can spend. It analyzes your spending habits to create a custom budget that works for your lifestyle. Rocket Money will automatically monitor your spending by category and send you notifications when you've exceeded your limit. You can see exactly how much is being spent on things such as eating out, subscriptions, and so much more. To save more and spend less, I highly recommend you join and take part of the 5 million members using Rocket Money today. Go to rocketmoney.com/LGQueen or click the link in the description box to get started for free. You won't regret putting money back in your pocket. Now let's continue with this refrigerator.
I love it. Linda, this is so beautiful. I can't believe it. I haven't seen this clean in years. What a transformation. Thank you so much.
Here's a quick clip of how the before looked like so you can remember what my mom's pantry started with, and here's the after with my mom's reaction. This concludes my mom's pantry organization video. I hope this video gave you tons of ideas, inspiration, and motivation to give your pantry an updated refresh. I'm so happy with how it all turned out for my mom's pantry because everything has a designated space, it's organized, and now my mom can see everything she has. There's even extra room in the back top shelf to add new items and containers. This concludes today's video. I hope that you were inspired and motivated to tackle any area in your home that needs that extra love. Don't forget to check out Rocket Money. I'll leave their link in the description box. Thank you all so much for being here. I'll talk to you all in my next one. Take care.